Check out this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front bucket, GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing, flex fuel with active fuel management, LTZ Plus package, tires, P265/65R18 all-season, Blackwall, wheels, 418 inches x 8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, chrome-clad aluminum, audio system, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 playback, USB port. LPO, all-weather floor mats, ebony deep-ribbed rubber, suspension package, high-performance and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.